You ready? You ready?
Okay. All right, my family, we're going to take you guys on over to the other side of the island. Even though we heard surf stuff on this side of the island, we're going to go to a place that's really known for its surf, but most especially known for its sugar mill. Okay. And we're going to bring our lovely ladies out as we take you to Haleiwa.
Is where we follow.